Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizka Octavia Damainik. My ID number is 19018101. In this occasion, I would like to present an article. The article title is Fun Activities in Teaching English by Using Kahoot. This article was written by Susi Susanti from English Department of STKIP Muaro Bungo, Jambi, Indonesia. This PowerPoint has some parts like the table of contents. I will explain part by part of the article. So the parts are the abstract, the introduction, the technology in teaching, and the Kahoot itself, like why we should use Kahoot, what Kahoot is, and the Kahoot features, what are the features of Kahoot, and the data analysis and discussion, and the last one we come to the conclusion. We will come to the conclusion. The first, we will talk about the abstract. The use of technology in teaching has some advantages, or it has some reasons why we should use technology in teaching. The use of technology in teaching can encompass all kinds of tools like pencil, paper, marker, and even whiteboard. The advantage of using technology in teaching, it can make the students have a fun learning. Besides that, the technology can increase students' engagement and motivation in learning. Students can be used to use the technology because in this era, as we know, technology become the most important thing in all of the life aspects. So, what technology should teachers use to do the teaching and learning process? There is one solution to overcome this case, which called Kahoot. Kahoot can be used to monitor its students' knowledge. It is more generally used as a break from traditional classroom activities to the modern classroom activities. So that's the goal of using Kahoot. Next, we come to the introduction part. Nowadays, as we know, teaching and learning activities need technology, right? It can be challenging to select the best tech tools for students' learning because we should adapt the technology with our students. That's why there is no doubt that finding the integrative technology is an overwhelming task for anyone. So, ladies and gentlemen, how do educators find an ideal balance for learning and eventually integrating technology? Of course, it begins with a focus followed by choosing the proper tool. The tool that is going to be introduced in this paper is, of course, Kahoot. Next, we will move to the technology and teaching part. As Martinez 2011 said, the term of technology refers to advancements in methods and tools that used to solve problems or achieve a goal. It relates when in the classroom, technology can encompass all kinds of tools from low-tech to high-tech. Based on Prensky 2001 opinions, he said that technology is a major part of students' life, and their academic training requires an introduction to the uses of technology. Garrett, 1991, came up with his opinion. He said that digital technologies are everywhere, and they are bringing many exciting opportunities for our schools, impacting what, where, and how education is delivered. So, ladies and gentlemen, connected classroom offers today's students and teachers easier, affordable, and faster access to information, teaching, and learning process. The condition that makes the Kahoot possible in teaching learning process. That's the condition that makes Kahoot possible in teaching learning process. Now we move to the Kahoot part. So in this part, we will talk about the features that Kahoot has in make the teaching and learning process more fun. In Kahoot, there are some features that can teachers use in teaching learning process. First is quiz and then discussion. Previously it called quick poll and then survey. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, before we talk about Kahoot features, first we will know what is Kahoot. So Kahoot is a tool for using technology to administer quizzes, discussion, and surveys. It is a game-based classroom response system played by the whole class in real time. So, this is a game-based, but this is a game-based learning. It can be used by the whole class in real-time situation. So why use Kahoot? Why should we use Kahoot? Of course, it is because Kahoot is a free game-based learning platform that makes it fun to learn any subject in any language on any device for all ages. So all ages can use Kahoot to learn something, to learn any subject. You can learn any subject in this application. There are some Kahoot features as we talked before, the quiz, discussion, and survey. Why we use Kahoot is it also can, students for sure will be asking to play again and again because it is very fun. It can make students beyond their limits. Now we will talk the first features of Kahoot. It is the quiz one. This is the most common type of Kahoot, the most common features. These features allow students to answer the answers quickly and accurately. The faster they answer, the higher the score they got. But if it is the right answer, right? So after students did the quiz, it would show their winner, the winner of the quiz, and it can motivate the students. So it is a real-time winner and answer. Now we move to the discussion, or previously it called the quick poll features. These features is designed to do exactly what they say. So this feature is facilitate a conversation. They are simply a one quick question with no right or wrong answer. So it use a time limit with no scores. It is like the basis for discussion. Students can discuss their answer properly. Next is the survey. This is a real-time questions with no right answer. Ladies and gentlemen, the results of each question can be debated there and then, and all survey results can be downloaded at the end of the survey. So comes up some questions. How can teachers use Kahoot? So it is very simple. Teachers can download it and then make one of the features to the students. Teachers can choose the quiz or discussion or survey features to engage the students in the teaching and learning process. And then teachers can ask students to Google the website of the Kahoot. It is kahoot.it, and then students should put the game pin, and the quiz or the discussion or the survey is begin. Is it good enough for learning? Other than so, it comes the question: is it good enough for learning English? Yeah, is Kahoot is good for learning English? Ladies and gentlemen, other than their own scores, students only can see the top achievers. So low performing students won't feel put on display. It can motivate them to learn more and get the best score next time, so they can um, see their name in the display on the display. The three features of Kahoot can be used as assessment, icebreaker, and tool to stimulate students' discussion in any specific subjects in English. So this application is good for learning English. Now we come to the data analysis and discussion part. So the data were taken in small group of students. Of course, there were 10 of them involved. The students asked to do a quiz, discussion, and survey with Kahoot in the 3 days learning. The topic was related to their lesson that day. In the quiz, specifically, the topic is about simple present tense. So this this is to see the students' ability. Yes, this is to see students' ability and their knowledge of that list what they have learned that day. What about students' feelings or what students say about Kahoot? Students really enjoyed the quiz. They didn't feel anxiety on doing it because they found it interesting. They said that it was just a fun quiz, not an assessment. Also, in the discussion section, the students can increase their speaking ability because they can argue each other with their friends. So they they were not worried about the English because um they should just share their opinions with their friends. The activity made the students' eye open widely and there were no sleepy heads. It showed that Kahoot could break the monotony in the class with playing system. So it is very beneficial and fun for teaching English. Now we come to the end of this presentation, the conclusion. The games bring a lot of interaction to the classroom. Teachers are in control of advancing the questions that allowing them the opportunity to build discussion time between questions. The majority of students enjoy the competitive nature of the game and comment that it helps them retain concepts and enjoy the quiz. Kahoot can be used to monitor its students' knowledge and to identify areas where the students would benefit from more one-to-one teaching. But it is more generally used as a break from traditional classroom activities, like I said before. Kahoot was admitted as an enjoyable, free, flexible, easy, and fun way to learn English, of course. So these are the references that the article was used. Yes. And that's all from me. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.